Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today, we are learning Orange Level Unit 11. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words are blockade, chant, despair, elevate, extraordinary, heroic, lance, missionary, pointless, reflect, cite, and toxic. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is blockade. Say it with me, blockade. Blockade can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, blockade means to close off or keep people or supplies from going in or out. As a noun, blockade means something that closes off or keeps people out, often by military force. For example, warships may be used to blockade a harbor. Another example is the Union forces used a land and sea blockade. Some synonyms are barricade, siege, and barrier. One antonym is open. Why might a city need a blockade? What can act like a barrier? Our next word is chant. Say it with me, chant. Chant can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, chant means to sing or recite in a repeated tone. As a noun, chant means words or phrases repeated in rhythm. For example, I often chant when jumping rope. Another example is, the chant of thousands of fans excited the team. Some synonyms are in tone, vocalize, hymn, and recitation. Some antonyms are silence and be quiet. When do people chant together? What school chants do you know? Our next word is despair. Say it with me, despair. Despair can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, despair means to give up all hope or lose heart. As a noun, despair means a total loss of hope. For example, we despair of ever seeing them again. Another example is, fear may turn into despair. Some synonyms are lose heart and hopelessness. Some antonyms are hope, take heart, and hopefulness. What can give people hope? How can we help someone in despair? Our next word is elevate. Say it with me, elevate. Elevate is a verb. It means to lift up, to raise in position or rank, or to raise someone's spirit or moral level. For example, your doctor may tell you to elevate your foot. Another example is, kind words can elevate someone's mood. Some synonyms are hoist, advance, and promote. Some antonyms are lower and demote. What objects can you elevate? How can kind words elevate someone's mood? Our next word is extraordinary. Say it with me, extraordinary. Extraordinary is an adjective. It means beyond the usual or expected, highly unusual or rare. For example, he has an extraordinary singing voice. Another example is, the rescue was an extraordinary effort. Some synonyms are great, exceptional, amazing, and remarkable. Some antonyms are ordinary, usual, average, and run-of-the-mill. What makes a person extraordinary? Have you seen an extraordinary performance? Our next word is heroic. Say it with me, heroic. Heroic is an adjective. It means brave, noble, larger than life, or involving extreme effort. For example, the heroic deeds of ancient warriors are legendary. Another example is, the firefighter made a heroic rescue. Some synonyms are courageous, bold, fearless, and gallant. Some antonyms are cowardly, minimal, and trivial. Who is a heroic person in your life? What makes an action heroic? Our next word is lance. Say it with me, lance. Lance can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, lance means a long, metal-tipped weapon used by knights or soldiers on horseback. As a verb, lance means to pierce or cut open carefully. For example, ancient knights carried a lance into battle. Another example is, a doctor may lance an infected blister. Some synonyms are spear, shaft, puncture, and cut open. Some antonyms are heal and close. What tools today are pointed like a lance? Why did knights carry lances? Our next word is missionary. Say it with me, missionary. Missionary can be a noun and an adjective. As a noun, missionary means a person sent on an assignment, often of a religious nature, to teach or do charity work. As an adjective, missionary means related to such an assignment. For example, the life of a missionary requires courage and dedication. Another example is, the peacemakers worked with a missionary spirit. One synonym is preacher. Some related words are helper, teacher, and volunteer. How can people help others in different countries? What qualities does a missionary need? Our next word is pointless. Say it with me, pointless. Pointless is an adjective. It means having no meaning or effect. For example, sometimes it is pointless to continue a conversation. Another example is arguing without listening is pointless. Some synonyms are senseless, aimless, futile, meaningless, worthless, and ineffective. Some antonyms are meaningful, sensible, effective, and valuable. What kind of argument feels pointless? How can we make our work more meaningful? Our next word is reflect. Say it with me, reflect. Reflect is a verb. It means to throw back heat, light, or sound. It can also mean to show an image to make something clear or to think deeply about something. For example, the clouds reflect on the lake's surface. Another example is, take time to reflect on what you learned today. Some synonyms are copy, echo, return, reveal, consider, ponder, and muse. Some antonyms are absorb, retain, disregard, and ignore. What can reflect light like a mirror? Why is it helpful to reflect on your day? Our next word is site. Say it with me, site. Site is a noun. A site is a location, scene, or place where something was, is, or will be. For example, Yorktown was the site of a famous battle. Another example is, this park is the site of our school picnic. Some synonyms are spot, position, location, and place. Some antonyms are nowhere and non-location. What is an important site in your city? Why do some sites become historic? Our last word is toxic. Say it with me, toxic. Toxic is an adjective. It means poisonous, deadly, or harmful. For example, a gas mask can filter out toxic fumes. Another example is, some cleaning chemicals can be toxic if used the wrong way. Some synonyms are dangerous, harmful, venomous, and lethal. Some antonyms are non-toxic, safe, and harmless. Why should we read warning labels? What toxic things should children avoid? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 11. Let's read them one more time. Blockade, chant, despair, elevate, extraordinary, heroic, lance, missionary, pointless, reflect, cite, and toxic. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them, remember them, and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.